This video is on question 50 from the 2012 IMAT paper. This question is asking us which one of the following is not correct about human chromosomes. So let's start with statement A. They contain regions called genes. Well, we know human chromosomes are partly composed of DNA, and it's the DNA which makes up these genes, as well as other non-coding areas. So we know this is true, so it's not this one. Next, they are made of DNA and proteins. So we know this is also true, as human chromosomes are composed of DNA wrapped around certain proteins. And what are these proteins called? Histones. So human chromosomes are composed of histones with DNA wrapped around them. So this is also true, so this is not our answer. So next, they're sometimes not found in pairs. So we know that this is true for gametes, such as sperm and egg, which only carry one allele for each gene, and this is because they only carry one copy of each human chromosome. So next, they can attach to the spindle at the centriole. Now, this is where we have to be careful to not mix up centriole with centromere. The centriole is the structure at the start of mitosis, which migrates to either pole of the cell and then forms a spindle from there. The centromere, on the other hand, is the structure which is part of the human chromosome, and that is where the spindle attaches. So, the human chromosomes, they can't attach to the spindle at the centriole, but they can at the centromere. So this is testing that you know the difference between a centriole and a centromere. So this is our incorrect statement. And finally, just for completion, they're sometimes found in pairs. Yes, we know this is true, and this is true for all of your body cells which are diploid. They're diploid because they have two copies of each gene, and that is because they have two copies of each chromosome. So, as our fourth statement is incorrect, our answer is D.